Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right here on our screen, we have a free $50 no deposit bonus. And as you can see right here on my screen, no deposit is required. You don't have to deposit any amount before you can be able to get this free $50 no deposit bonus. It's actually a free money for you to start trading your Forex account in 2026, and there is nothing wrong in you getting your own this morning. All you have to do is to watch this video till the very end. Make sure you don't skip any of the video or any of the explanation so that you can be able to get your free $50 no deposit bonus. You don't have to deposit. Keep that in mind. So now, without wasting too much of our time, before I start, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, the first thing I want you to do in order for you to stay in touch with us and in order for you to keep on getting free no deposit bonuses, profit account and free funded account every day is for you to join this YouTube channel, for you to subscribe, like our videos, and drop a comment. Tell us where you are watching from so that we'll be happy to drop and find no deposit bonus videos for you guys. So now, this no deposit bonus is not like other no deposit bonus. As you can see right here on the screen, trade real market with $50. So it is a real market. It is not a demo account. It is not a demo account that you won't be able to withdraw from. This is actually a real market. This is it right here on the screen, and this is the first time I'll be making a video about this particular no deposit bonus. And also, it's just dropped yesterday, and not a lot of traders have heard about it. So I'm gladly and happily making this video for my community. So as you can see, let's go through what we have here. Your first trade start today, not after deposit. As you can see, you don't have to deposit. Get $50 in real trading credit. Trade on real market conditions and withdraw your profits. So as you can see, you can withdraw your profit immediately after getting this free no deposit bonus, trading it, obeying the terms and conditions. Immediately you can withdraw your profit immediately. So now let me show you how this works. So in order for us to know how this works, as you can see, no deposit. Start trading without putting any money in. The $50 is on the broker. So this broker will be offering to you free $50 no deposit bonus. Now I want you to pay attention because in this video I will be showing you the terms and conditions you have to know in order for you to be able to withdraw your profit. Right now I'll be showing you. So as you can see, no risk to your capital. This is it. If the bonus runs out, you lose nothing. So it's not as if you put your money so that you maybe even if you lose, it's not your loss, it's their loss, because they are the one that will give you the free money for you to be able to start, and they want nothing in return other than you to obey the terms and conditions placed. So as you can see, if you don't like it, you can walk away. No fee, no penalty, no commitment. So you are not obliged to them. You are not to be committed to them. All you have to do is to obey the terms and conditions and make money. So this is it. Everything you need to start. In order for you to get this free $50 no deposit bonus, the trading will be deposited into your account 60 days to trade. So after 60 days, your account will be taken away. So in order for you to be able to unlock, you have to trade 20 lot size, and you can be able to withdraw any amount that you earn. Every dollar earned is real and withdrawable. So if you made up to $1,000, $2,000, you can be able to withdraw as much as possible. So now I will show you how you can create account and how you can get the no deposit bonus and how you can be able to withdraw your profit from them. So now let's go to the real deal. Let's go to the real deal. Now that I've explained the terms and conditions, if you haven't listen to the terms and conditions, you can go back and watch this video from the beginning. You will see that I've explained about how to be able to withdraw, the terms and conditions you have to be in order for you to be able to withdraw. So now the link to be able to get to this website will be pinned in the comment section and will also be pinned in the description of this video. All you have to do is to click on the link and you'll be taken to my Telegram channel. Once you get to my Telegram channel, you will be taken to an interface like this, and once you get to this interface, the next thing for you to do is for you to click on this three line up here. So once you've clicked on this three line up here, just come down and click on welcome bonus. So this is a welcome bonus, and the welcome bonus is free $50 no deposit bonus. So click on welcome bonus, and as you can see, this is it. So our goal here is to start trading without deposit. So click on start trading, no deposit needed. So when you click on it, you'll be taken to the next interface where you'll be getting your account. So the first thing you have to enter is to enter your email and click on next. So I've entered my email and I've clicked on next. So once you've entered your email, just enter your password, create a password and confirm the password. So as for me, I will be entering my password and I will be confirming the password. And once I'm done, I will get back to you shortly. So let me just do mine and I'll get back to you shortly. Okay. Now, one thing is important while you are creating your password. It is important that your password is very secure and it will not be able to guess, because if people are able to guess your password, they can have access to your account and they will be able to withdraw your money away. So now that I have entered my password and I have confirmed it, the next thing for us to do is to click on next. So once you click on next, let's see where it will take us to. All right. So just use this moment to subscribe, to like this video and share it with your loved ones. So as you can see, enable biometric login. So just click on later. Click on later. So as you can see, just click on save. The reason why you are saving it is because next time if you want to log in, it will be easier for you to log in. As you can see, the next thing for us to do is for us to confirm our email address. And the best way to confirm our email address is for you to go to your email. A code has been sent to your email account. So let's head on to our email account. As you can see, this is my email account right here. So this is my email account right here. Let me click on my email account. This is it right here. The name of the platform is Glex. So click on verify email. So as you click on verify email, you'll see where it's going to take you to. You'll see. So just click on skip if you don't want to use your phone number. So this is it right here. You can just click on. So this is it. Your account has been verified. Your email has been verified. So to withdraw funds, you must complete this stage of verification. So in order for you to be able to withdraw your money, you have to verify your NIN. You have to verify your account by using your NIN or your driver license. You have to go through all of those processes, and I'll be showing you how you can go through them. All right, now what we are here for is to get the free $50 no deposit bonus, and there is no way you will be able to get this free $50 no deposit bonus without you having to verify your account, because you have to verify it. This shows that this platform, they are very legit and reliable. So in order for you to verify, just click on complete the basic. So click on complete the basic. So let's hold on and wait and look for what's going to happen. So you have to enter your real name, your real last name, your date of birth and your phone number. Make sure they are in alignment together with the one on your NI and ID card. So once you are done verifying your account, you can just come here. As you can see, this is the bonus we are going to get. The welcome bonus is $50. Start trading with $50 welcome bonus, exploring your account, click and so on. So this is it right here. Okay, so once you are done verifying your account, you will see the next thing for you to do is for you to come to this space below. As you can see, this is the message area. Just click on the message down here. So once you've clicked on the message down here, the next thing for you to do is for it to go back to your account. Okay, once you are done verifying your account, you open an account. So as you can see, this is the ID right here. This is one ID over here. Now this is not the ID you're going to be using. Once you've verified your account, you will open a new account. All right, you open a new account, so you can just come back here and copy your ID. As you can see, this is the ID. So once you copy the ID of the account you just open, just come down to this message area. So tell them, how do I get my free $50 no deposit bonus? My account has been verified. Please, can you credit me my free $50 welcome bonus? So you can just message them here and they will get back to you. And the way they are going to get back to you can either be through your email account or through their website. All right, so if there is anything you need, make sure you drop it in the comment section and I will gladly reply to you Thank you guys for watching. I love you all. Thank you for your support, and I hope you have a great day.